Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hoover. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chess Jack Jimash. So today is the next part of the Hoover Turbopower Freedom. Last night I washed all the parts. I'm up early this morning and I've decided to crack on. It's a bit chilly in here today, but it'll be okay. So all the parts there are dry. They are going to need another wipe over, even though I've washed them. They're still pretty filthy in places, which didn't really appear until after they dry, but it's not a problem because that's why I got my bucket of flash hot water. So what we're going to be concentrating on today is the motor and the spinal cord. That we're going to give it a really good clean up. We are going to blast out the motor with the pressure gun, the compressor, and possibly I think I might just give them a wipe over. I don't think they need putting in the sandblaster, but it definitely does need a clean up. So let me get you guys a little bit closer and let's start the cleanup. So I got you perched up above nice and high where you can see everything clearly, but the only thing I'm going to be doing for the first part is cleaning the motor up and wiping off some of the muck. So I'm going to do this in fast forward because it's not very interesting. It's just washing. So let me get you on fast forward. Okay, so I've taken the motor apart. The motor cover here. The in the bucket is the fan, the washers that go on the fan. Carbon brushes, they're a bit low, but they'll do. Springs, screws, the armature, not too bad, but I will give it a good blast, and then we will lubricate that bearing there. And we will lubricate the bearing down on the inside. Again, I'm going to use the compressor to blast out any bits of rubbish down in there. That's the suppressor. I am just going to leave it, to be honest. Right, okay, so I'm going to go and give this a blast out with the compressor, and I'll be back in a minute. So now, bearings. First of all, I'm going to spray some lithium grease down in the bottom. And I've got some Singer oil that I'm going to drop down in there. There we go. Now I can pop this back in. Let me just get the fan cleaned up. Okay, so I'm going to put the fan back on. Hang on, I'm just missing a washer. Bear with me. Okay, that's the washer on. I'll just put some oil in this top bearing. Makes a heck of a difference. Wipe off any excess. I'm going to put some more oil down in here. That'll fit in better once I tighten the screws up. There we go. There we go, that's running so much better. Let's put the headlight back in. Now I'm going to take out this headlight and put in the really expensive Osram LED. Voila. So that is now running nice and smooth the way it's supposed to. I can put these clips back on. And there we go. Put this back into place. Now I can put the brushes back in. Push down the spring and then close the flap. And there we go. That motor is now lubricated and extremely easy to move. Could do with new brushes, Possibly new bearings, but meh. That'll do. I'm just going to drop some oil just a little bit around here. Down into it. Remove any excess. Leave it upright like that to one side. And there we go. That is done. That is the motor and the spinal cord all cleaned up and ready for reassembly. Now I could remove the suppressor, but I'm not going to bother. It is fine. The cables that go onto it here, you can bypass. I could bypass it and put new sockets on so they go directly into these instead of the suppressor, but to be honest, I think it looks absolutely fine. It's not a major issue. I'm not going to do it on that. If it pops, it pops, then I will do it, but no need with this one. I would definitely recommend it with the old ones, but that's okay. Okay, so there we go. Now I need to get all the body back up to here in the box. And here it is. So these are all the parts that I washed yesterday. I got most of the grime off it, but it's still going to need a wipe over. So I will do that in the next part. But yeah, so let me just pop these down to one side for now. So there we go, my little whippersnappers. Thank you very much for watching part 2. Nice short one for you today, but yeah, we've got that looking really good now. So thank you very much. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Share them on social media, helps me a lot. And I'll see you guys for part 3, where we start putting this beast back together. Bye, y'all.